Time banking is an important method to save our time and also prevent from waste of the time. Actually, time banking is a method of dealing or dealing method among or between individuals based on time-based credit instead of money or instead of using their money for their work and for their labor time. Actually, individuals who work in the same or similar industries, works in professions like researchers, farmers, or even people who build buildings and work in different industries, they invest their time when they are free for the particular times when they need more help and more time. Actually, when people are free and they see that some other people started to work on some projects and also build some houses and also have some farming projects and other works. They share their time, they work with such people, and instead of getting money, they just save credit, time-based, labor time-based credits, and also which every credit is based 1 hour. Then they record the level of their credits, time-based credits, when they work with other people. And in different time, when we start some works and need help from other people, instead of paying money, they just ask those people to come and work with them. When we work as a researchers, especially when we are postgraduate researchers during PhD studies, which is a tough work, or when we do some research on huge, based on huge data collection procedures and big issues, actually it is very important to have some people to help us, especially on data entry, data collection, and also some parts of analysis. And especially when we are postgraduate researchers, we don't have that much money to pay to other people. That's why one of the best ways to work and to do our jobs and duties faster, to use our free times for other people, for other researchers in data entry and data collection and data analysis, and to just save time credits for ourselves. And when we start our data collection procedure, when we start our works and also our data entry into spaces or other softwares, at that case we can ask the people who already worked with them to work with us and to spend their time. And also when we build a house, we sometimes our neighbors may start working, building some houses, we can work with them. And when we started our works, we can ask them to work with us. And farmers, actually, in many countries, they work in such section in such with such rules. But officially, the term of time banking and such kinds introduced by an American lawyer who is Khan to facilitate to help some people, individuals, to improve and increase the levels of activities and services and civil services sections. And after that, many people in many countries, especially in countries such UK, Australia, and some other parts of the world, they use this method to save their time. Actually, when we are free, we don't have any particular duty, job, or project. It means that we waste our time. And instead of that, it's better to work with some other people and save labor-based time credits. Or if we work, start some projects, and instead of paying money, it's better to ask our friends, our family members, or our neighbors to help us and save their labor-based time credits for sometimes when they start some actions and reactions, and we have to work with them and pay back their time credits. And that's why it's very important to use the time banking system and to prevent from the waste of the time, which is an important phenomenon in our lives, and save our time when we are free for some times which we are need help of other people, and we want to have more time instead of spending money. And that's why the people in countries who use this method, they can save their time, and they can prevent from waste of the time. And that's why it's very important to think on such methods and prevent waste of the time, and also take benefit from such helpful methods. Thank you.